Hi guys, how can you create glowing text behind the subject in Photoshop like this? Open your image in Photoshop and make sure you have a black background. Go to select subject. When the selection is complete, press Ctrl+J to create a separate copy of the subject. Turn off the original background layer. Now select the text tool and type your text. Press Ctrl+T to resize and position it. Right-click inside the transform box and choose Warp. Then select Arc. Adjust the bend to curve the text nicely around the subject. Rotate the text and set it on best position. Press Enter to confirm. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Allow them to convert into a smart object. Set the radius around 5.4 pixels and press OK. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Apply Gaussian blur again and increase the radius to around 15 pixels. Repeat this process several times, increasing the blur each time. For third time, set radius 42.5. And fourth time, value set 98.5 pixels. For the final one, set radius on 150.3. Pixels and create a strong glow spread. Now hold Shift and select all blurred text layers. Press Ctrl+G or click on File icon to add all in a group. Go to Adjustment Layer, Hue/Saturation. Click Colorize. Set saturation to around 70 to 100, depending on how strong you want the color. Adjust the hue slider to choose any glow color you like. Place the text group below the subject layer so the glow appears behind the subject. If you want the subject to match the glow color, add another hue/saturation adjustment above the subject layer. Click Colorize and adjust hue and saturation to match the text glow. If the glow looks too strong, lower the opacity of the group slightly. It sets saturation on 70. Now move slider, select the color that you like. And that's it. This is how you can create glowing text behind the subject and add a matching glow effect to the subject in Photoshop.